Good morning, sweeties. Good morning, Peaches. Did I wake you up? I woke you up. Hello, Carmel. You're such a pretty baby. Hello, Snickers. We lost the signal, so I'm going to stand at the door. And I'm going to pet all of you as you come out. Say yes. Hello. Hello, baby. Hi, Midnight. Hello, darling. Snickers. Hello, Midnight. You can get pets. Hello, Nonpareil. Hello, Galahad. How are you? Hello, Chocolate. Hello, Straw Baby. Hi, Strawberry. No, you can't eat the phone. Hello, Nonpareil. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. Hello, Chocolate. Hello, Nonpareil. You're beautiful. Yes, you are. You're beautiful. Hello, Chocolate. Yes, I will pet you too. Hello, Galahad. Well, hello. Hi, Guinevere. Hello, Morgana. You gotta get close enough for me to pet you. Yes. She says, nope, not today. That's it. Everybody's out. Goodbye.